Today we're diving into a popular topic, how to accurately determine your home's value. Whether you're selling, refinancing, or just curious, knowing your home's true worth is crucial. You want to start with quick online estimates. So start with online tools like Redfin's Estimate or Zillow's Zestimate. They're fast and free, but remember, they're just a starting point and based off a simple algorithm. Comparative Market Analysis, or CMA. For a more personalized approach, contact an experienced realtor like myself for a comparative market analysis, or CMA. We'll look at recent home sales of similar homes in your area and make adjustments for differences. Now this is where things get interesting. How about adjusting for those differences? When comparing your home to others, we consider key features like square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, and special amenities. Overall condition from fixer-upper to recently renovated. We then adjust the value up or down based on these differences. For example, an extra bedroom might add $10,000 to the value. Better condition could increase the value by 5% or more. Now, these adjustments can help us pinpoint your home's unique value in the current market. Professional appraisal. For another type of valuation, consider hiring a licensed appraiser. Now, they'll conduct an in-depth inspection and provide a detailed report, but keep in mind that they usually look at the value that a bank would to support for something like probate or estate records. And if you want to do your own research, you can also look at recent sales in your neighborhood, compare features and conditions. That'll help estimate your home's value based on this data. Now remember, home values can fluctuate, so it's a good idea to reassess periodically. By combining these methods and understanding how adjustments work, you'll get the most accurate picture of what your home is truly worth. If you have any questions or need any help determining your home's value, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. As your California specialist, I'm here to help you educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. Thanks for watching.